So this is part 3 of 7.2, multiplying polynomials. So in this case, we're multiplying polynomials with more than 2 terms. So x minus 2 times x squared plus x minus 1. The second polynomial here has 3 terms. You can't use FOIL here because FOIL can only be used to multiply 2 binomials together. But what you can do is distribute each term of the first polynomial, the x and the negative 2, to each term of the second polynomial. So what you would do here is multiply x by x squared, multiply x by x, and then multiply x by negative 1. After you do that, you would multiply the negative 2 by x squared, the negative 2 by x, and the negative 2 by negative 1 as well. Here's what it would look like. X times x squared, you want to add the exponents. The exponent of the x is technically a 1, even though it's not written in. So x times x squared is x to the third, or x cubed. Then x times x is x squared, and that's a positive x squared. You need to make sure you're keeping track of each of the terms that you're multiplying. Now I multiply x by negative 1, and that's negative x. So we're actually done distributing the x. If it helps you, maybe you just cross it out to know that you're not going to use that anymore. Now we need to distribute the negative 2. Negative 2 times x squared is negative 2x squared. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. And negative 2 times negative 1, you're multiplying a negative by a negative, so it's a positive, and plus 2. Then you just need to organize your terms by adding any like terms. This is the only x cubed term. It's to the highest exponent, or it's the highest degree, so it would come first. Again, if it helps keep you organized, then maybe you just cross that out. Then the next term is positive x squared. The negative 2x squared is a like term with that. This is a positive 1x squared minus 2x squared is negative x squared. We're done with those terms. Then it's negative x and negative 2x are like terms. Negative x minus 2x is negative 3x. And then lastly, you have the constant, positive 2. There's no like terms with that, so it just stays the same. So you're multiplying a binomial, that's 2 terms, by a trinomial, 3 terms. We have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms after we multiply, because it's 2 terms times 3 terms. That's the 6 terms. But that doesn't necessarily mean you just have 6 terms in your answer. You want to look for like terms, and if you're able to combine like terms, you would have less terms than that. You want to make sure that you write your polynomial in descending order, or it's also referred to as standard form. The exponents should go from largest to smallest. X to the third, x squared, x, or x to the first, and then lastly your constant. So it's similar to multiplying 2 binomials. You would just have more terms.